Welcome to Zainab's Life Skills. Today we're gonna talk about vacuuming. Vacuuming is an important part in keeping a clean house, especially if you have a lot of carpet. Many vacuums can be used on tile or hardwood floors too. It is useful to make vacuuming a part of your weekly cleaning. It will help keep smells, germs, critters, and sickness away. How to vacuum? Number 1. Clear the floor of any small object. Anything larger than a small coin should be picked up before vacuuming. Number 2. Plug your vacuum in and pay attention to where you are starting. In order to be sure that we do not miss any areas of the floor, we need to pay attention to where we start. Let's start here. Number 3. Begin to push the vacuum back and forth while slowly walking. Going over the same area from multiple directions helps the vacuum be more efficient and picking up dirt. Number 4. Vacuum the entire area. Make sure you get corners and under furniture. Number 5. Clean up. Unplug the vacuum. Empty the bag or canister. Wind the cord. Put the vacuum back where you found it. Frequency of vacuuming. It is generally recommended to vacuum high traffic area 2 times per week. Safety vacuuming tips. Vacuuming is a safe way to clean carpet, but there are some things you should remember. Number 1, never try to vacuum liquid spills or a damp carpet. Number 2, make sure your vacuum is turned off when you plug it in. Number 3, do not pick up sharp items with the vacuum. This includes glass, nails, coins, and screws. And lastly, keep your fingers and toes away from the suction area of the vacuum. Now I'll show you the machine that we use at home. Let's start with the drum hoover. This is good for heavy cleaning. Next we have a carpet cleaner and a hoover. This is also good for heavy cleaning. And this one is a cleaner hoover for floor. And this is a wireless vacuum. This one also is a cleaner and a hoover vacuum. But this one is not wireless. You have to plug the wire every time you want to use this. These two is a hoover. This is good for floor and carpet. And these are both wireless. And we have also a mini vacuum. This is good for the place where the big vacuum cannot go in. And also we have a bed hoover. It's cleaning time. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.